Have you ever written the same code again and again? Today you'll learn how Python can repeat it automatically using a for loop. Imagine telling a robot to clap 5 times. Instead of giving 5 separate commands, you simply tell it to repeat the action. This code works perfectly, but typing the same line again and again is slow and repetitive. Instead of writing 5 print statements, one for loop repeats the code automatically. Cleaner, shorter, and much easier to read. The loop runs 5 times, so hello is printed 5 times. We wrote only 2 lines of code, but Python repeated the work for us. Let's print numbers instead of hello. The range function creates a sequence of numbers, and the loop prints each one. Notice that range 5 starts at 0 and stops before 5. That's why the output is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can also choose where to start. Range 1, 6 begins at 1 and stops before 6, so it prints 1 through 5. Now the numbers start at 1. Because the ending value is not included, the loop stops before 6, so the last number printed is 5. The third value in range is called the step. A step of 2 means the numbers increase by 2 each time, so this loop prints only even numbers. The loop starts at 2 and adds 2 every time. It stops before 11, so the output is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. A common mistake is forgetting the colon after the for statement. Always add a colon before writing the indented code inside the loop. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to predict the output. How many times will Python be printed? Great job if you guessed 3 times. Range 3 creates the values 0, 1, and 2, so the loop runs exactly 3 times and prints Python 3 times. Excellent work! Today you learned how Python for loops work, how to use the range function, and how start, stop, and step values control. In our next lesson, you'll learn nested loops, where one loop runs inside another. We'll use them to solve bigger problems. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next class.